Ready, set, go. Okay, guys, take a look at this. Early morning over here. We have some good news. So we're taking a look at the hourly candles right here for the Bitcoin price. And we see my blue resistance band. We have fallen into it, but we have held right at the bottom, almost as if it's perfectly aligned to be so. So now that we take a look at that, we can see large scale. Zoom out a little bit. The next thing we have to watch out for is that we don't fall through, because that will leave us to test this upward sloping support again in this triangle. And if we do, then we can be very certain, almost certain, that we will fall through. Now I want to also take a look at the daily chart here. As we can see, yeah, we could likely have a higher low here, keep this triangle going, but there's not much more for this triangle to do, so we have to hope that we get out of it as soon as possible and towards the upside, because towards the downside we'll be making new lows on our weekly right here. If we do fall victim to a downside, we will be crushing some new lows. That is not a good scenario. What you're looking at here, it's looking like a huge peak and then a sell-off. But I doubt that's what we're looking at, because I do have some faith to show us today. I did look at one thing that I did want to show you, because this is not the absolute end for us. No. Take a look here. The daily chart for the sandbox. Now I've been talking about this one, but as we can see, we have a perfect ascending triangle here, a picture perfect. We are kissing on the upward sloping support, and if we manage to bounce off, we will touch this support, this resistance, for the 1, 2, 3, 4th time, and that'll probably give us the breakout of this stick right here I drew all the way up to $1.80, which is basically like a 40% pump. But yeah, guys, 40% pump incoming. Sandbox leading us the way. Gaming NFT cryptos are the future, just as Bitcoin is. So we'll see what happens. This is an interesting one.